So, as I promised a while back, man, coming back to Woodleaf because some odd reason, I like that Camaro over there, man. But whatever so odd reason, I lost my video somehow. So back up here, man. I'm gonna bowl 2 games. I ain't bowled in a minute, man. It's been a minute since I bowled, man. Y'all see though, you know what I'm saying? There's the number in the website tap into. Also, man, I still got red hot. That's another video for another time though. Right there, what I was looking at though. Jeez. With the wicker build on if I can keep my hand still, I'll be alright. See, that's why I be, you know what I'm saying, getting the stabilizer. But anyway, man, let's get on up in here, man. Let's get that bowling going, man. Run the intro. Let's go. Red hot chili peppers. Activate. Now.
JP Chevy.
Let's go.
JP Chevy.
I told you what it cost.
JP Chevy. JP Chevy.
You know how we say things are groovy or in the groove?
100%. Right.
So guys, if y'all made it to the end of the video, man, then you know, I didn't bowl worth a crap, man. Pretty much messed up from the jump, man. Choose a stick, and I have to slide. I need to slide in order to bowl. You know what I'm saying? If I ain't sliding, the rest of it ain't gonna be right. So I did what I could, though. Also, they got the lanes too oily in there. I guess they did so because they opened this open bowl today, but doggone, it's like the oil machine just laid down oil. Sheesh. As y'all seen in the beginning of the video, the first ball I about went down there. About went down the lanes. No cap. If it wasn't for this right foot and this good right knee, that's bad. Not hurting and holding me up, man. Man, I went down the lanes. God dog, man. But it is what it is, man. Sorry I had to put the music over and y'all couldn't hear, you know what I'm saying, the actual. But they had the music so loud. That was another thing too, man. The music was so loud, man. I couldn't even doggone think. Like, jeez, it don't make no sense, Woodley. Y'all didn't need the music that loud. Not that loud. God dang. I'm talking about blasting. I guess it didn't help where I was at, where my lane was at. That's where a speaker was at. But sheesh. So I don't need the copyright. So yeah, I had to B-roll y'all, man, and it is what it is, man. I'm gonna have to come back and redeem myself another time, though. That's for doggone sure. So stay tuned to that. But it's JP Chevy, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all seen the outro, man. Outro speaks for itself. You hear me? Hey, I'm out. I'm out.